How to download Fortnite on PC or laptop. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily download Fortnite on your PC or your laptop. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser, and you need to download a store called Epic Game Launcher or Epic Game Store. So just go ahead and search for Epic Games and go to the Epic Game Store. Once you are here, all you have to do is simply go ahead and search for Fortnite. You already have it on your home screen. Just make sure to sign in to your account, or you can download the Epic Games Launcher or the store in your device. Once you have it, just go ahead and search for Fortnite and click on it. Now, once you click on Fortnite here, all you have to do is sign in order to purchase the Fortnite to your PC or your account. So just go ahead and click on the sign in button. Now you can just go ahead and enter the email that's connected to your account and click on continue and simply enter your password. Now once you enter the code, they're going to send a 6-digit security code to log into your account. So just go ahead and enter the code here. What I'm going to do is just open up my email here on the other tab and get the code. Here I've gotten the two-factor sign-in code, so I'll just copy this here, go back to my Epic Games, paste it, then click on continue. Once you verify your account, you should be able to sign in. So let's just click on yes, continue. Now you can confirm your two-factor verification, so let's just confirm this. And once you are logged in, you should be able to download Fortnite from here. And as you can see here, you're able to get Fortnite along with all of these bundles. So you can just click on Get Fortnite and scroll down here until you find this option to get Epic Games Download. So just go ahead and click on Download Now. It's going to download the exe file here for Epic Installer. I already have it, so what I'm going to do is just search for Epic Games Launcher. Tap on it and enter. Now it's asking me for an update, so I'll do is just quickly update the app. And once your update is verified, the app is going to launch itself. And once you're able to sign in completely here, you can just find Fortnite on the home screen. And just go ahead and enter the code here again, and then click on continue. Once you do that, you just click on yes, continue again. Now, all you have to do is just go ahead and search for install engine and downloads. So if you already have Fortnite added to your library, you can go ahead and click on library, search for Fortnite here, and then you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.